Welcome! In this week's tutorial we will show you how to create a fantastic scene for your miniature bases. Start by choosing the bits and display them to your liking. Use your miniature to help you organize the layout. Then, fill the base with as many bits as you want. Glue them by using cyanoacrylate. Don't worry if they stick out of the bases, because after they dry, we'll cut the excess of the bits. Add earth texture to all ground area and let it dry. Make sure to cover the edges of the bits with texture, so the transition between the bits and the base looks more natural. Since we'll be using light tones, apply a white primer on the coat to help you achieve a faster and better result. Let's paint all basing bits. We'll use a light tone for the floor parts of the bits. For the ground part, a greyish blue. You can mix with a little water for an easier painting flow. A bright pink for the tendrils will give life to your bases. This step might take longer because all of the details. Take your time to paint every part carefully. Mix some water to a violet ink and paint all alien heads. You can also use a regular acrylic paint for this instead of ink. For the wires, a thin down black. Now let's apply a dark blue wash to every area of the bases and wait they are fully dry before moving to the next step. For the dry brush, we will use a 50-50 mix of light grey and white that we'll apply to the ground and the grey part of the bits. For the second highlight, we will use a pure white only on the bits. This will definitely make the floor pop and stand out from the ground area even more. Moving to the tendrils, we will use a light pink first. Then, with a 50-50 mix of the same pink and a skin tone, we'll do a second dry brush on the pink parts. For the purple parts, let's use a lighter purple. Be gentle with all the dry brushes, since this step will really bring out the details of the bits. We'll finish the dry brush step with just a touch of white. Apply this on the highest parts of the alien eggs and tendrils to simulate the bright points of light. They will look like this. Don't forget this black edge to make the bases stand out. Let's start to add vegetation. For this theme, we chose a set of alien tufts, focusing on purple and black tones. We will use the alien void to create some dark spots, creating a nice contrast between the colors. We will now move on to the tiny tufts. This tiny alien will help to fill in some blank spaces on your bases, while also give you a better transition between tuft sizes. For a stronger and rich scene, we will add some alien rosette from our laser plants range. If you don't know how to bend them, you can check the tutorials on our YouTube channel. These plants will look more realistic if you combine 2 or 3 layers in the same group of leaves. To glue them, we use cyanoacrylate. Add as many as you desire and don't be afraid to mix the colors. After this step, you will have something like this. Now, if you want to push the alien look further, we'll show you this quick and easy technique. Use a tweezer to pick up some glue. Opening and dragging the tips of the tweezer like this. This glue hangs very well, so don't be afraid to do as many layers as you want until you are happy with the results. And now we are finally done, and we have the ultimate alien looking basis.